Hi, my name's Ava, and I'm a freshman at Liberty North High School. I know that you're getting ready to enroll in your 9th grade high school classes, and I just want to tell you a little bit about a math class that you might be interested in taking. But first, let me ask you a few questions. Are you an independent learner? Do you like working at your own pace? In math, do you like to figure things out for yourself, but also be able to receive help as soon as you need it? Well, if you answered yes to any or all of those questions, Math PLP might be for you. PLP stands for Personalized Learning Plan, which means you'll get to learn the math at your own pace. In Algebra 1 Math PLP, the teachers have already prepared all of the teaching lessons, activities, quizzes, and tests ahead of time. You'll get to come in on the first day of class and start working at your own pace. The teachers give you a paper packet for each unit of math that you will study to take notes on as you watch math lessons on videos. Then you get to practice each math concept working problems on a computer. But don't worry, there's lots of help along the way. After each video lesson and concept you learn, you'll get together with a couple other students and a teacher to work on final problems and get all of your questions answered. We call that a teacher talk. And online math practice is really great because there are help features that will help you solve problems that you're stuck on. You can even get help from other students or give them help if you understand a math problem.
Okay, Joe, tell us a little bit about PLP and what your experience has been.
This year I've really liked the transition into PLP. What I like most about it is how self-paced it is. So if I really need to take time and make sure I truly understand a subject, I can. But if I need to then catch up on the next concept, I can do that in a day and I'll be fine.
Okay, Maddie, go ahead and tell us a little bit about what you like about PLP.
PLP, I really like that I get to go at my own pace, and it gives me a little bit of a challenge to keep up with the kids around me, and I have a little bit of competition with my friends and to see who can be the farthest, who can get things done faster even though still trying to learn. Again, I really like it because I can go at my own pace.
In this math class, the teachers really want us to learn the math on every quiz so that we score 70% or higher. And if we don't, then we do some extra practice and retake the quiz or test. But again, don't worry. The teachers will be there every step of the way to help you understand the math. Earlier I mentioned that you can work at your own pace. For each unit, the teachers tell you what a normal pace is to finish the work, but you can move faster than a normal pace for Algebra 1. You could even finish your Algebra 1 class before the end of the year and start geometry. I've had friends in Math PLP have finished both courses in the entire year. But working at your own pace also means you can take things a little slower if you really need to understand a concept. The teachers will be right there to help you and make sure that you keep a good pace.
So overall, what do you think about PLP?
Overall, I think it's a really good program because it allows students to take their time, slow down, and actually understand what they're learning versus feeling like they're rushed and having to move on if they don't understand a concept.
Okay, so Emma, can you just tell us a little bit about how PLP has changed your thought process in math or how it's helped you with your...
PLP is really helpful because I'm an independent learner and I like working at my own pace, and I'm also a very busy person, and so being able to not have homework at night but also be able to get it done at another time so I can work around my schedule is very helpful.
Math PLP will be in its 6th year at Liberty North next year. You can take Algebra 1 PLP style as well as geometry and Algebra 2. You can master the concepts and get ahead on your math credits to open up your schedule for other classes if you want to. Learning math the PLP way works, and you will earn at least a C because in PLP we master the math concepts at a 70% or higher. We also are very prepared for the state end of course Algebra 1 test that we take in March. We challenge each other and learn some awesome life skills as well as math along the way here at Liberty North High School. Go Eagles! We hope to see you in Algebra 1 or Geometry PLP next year.